In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete a payment method in Lazada. You can see I'm already inside the home interface and you will notice the wallet icon on the top right corner of the screen, which is this. Now I want you to click that icon since it will redirect us to our wallet or to our Lazada's wallet. Now you will notice that there are different icons inside this interface. And here is the payment options. When you click the payment options, it will bring you to the current payment method that you are using. For example, for me is GCash. And how you can delete this payment method. Just click the digital wallet that you are currently using or any payment method that you are currently using and click the three dotted icon at the top right corner. And here you have the option to click the delete payment option. Now click this and confirm it by clicking the blue button. And that's it. You just need to confirm this. And that's how you can delete your Lazada payment method. And thank you for listening.